Hi guys, it's me Tanya. It's soon Christmas and it's time to unbox my advent calendar. Toy mini brands from Zuru Surprise. You're supposed to open one each day of Advent, but I'm gonna cheat and open everything. Let's open day 1. Bunch balloons. They're tiny water balloons. Day 2. It looks like it's gonna be exclusive. Fingerlings. It's a tiny monkey. It's so cute. It's pink. Bunch balloons. So cute. Day 4. It's a tiny llama. Pets Alive llama. Day 5. JoJo styling head. Day 6. It looks like we're getting an exclusive. It's a tiny microphone. Day 7. Itty bitty pretties. Surprises. Day 8. Robo fish. It's a tiny fish. Day 9. You get a SpongeBob SquarePants tiny minifigure. Day 10. Ninja Turtle tiny swords, katanas. Day 11. Tiny dinosaur. Day 12. Again, a Ninja Turtle. Day 13. It's cotton candy slime. Day 14. It's a Rugrats. Day 15. Robo Alive. It's a tiny lizard. I think there's 2 in 1. Oh, it's a collection list. Day number 16. Another SpongeBob figure. Day 17. It's a tiny frisbee. Day 18. Another SpongeBob figure. Surprised Patrick. Day 19. More SpongeBob. Day 20. Slime potion maker. Day 21. It's so small, it's a Rubik's Cube. Day 22. Smashers. Ding doo. Oh, it's slime. Day 23. Metal machines, a tiny car. And lastly, day 24, Christmas Eve. It's a tiny slime kit. Those were all the presents in my advent calendar. They're so small and cute. Please note, these are miniature versions of real brands and they're only collectibles. They do not actually function. These miniatures are super cute, although I wasn't expecting this many SpongeBobs. But I really enjoyed unboxing all these tiny toys. Thank you for watching! Bye!